this thing sounds pretty good. Hey guys, how's it going? Justin here with Waltz, and today we're going to be taking a look at Samsung's MX-T40 sound tower, which is a Bluetooth speaker, but they're calling it a sound tower, so that's the wordage if you were a little confused when looking this thing up. And there's quite a few things to really like about this speaker, and we'll dive into that right now. So to start things off, this is a sound tower with 300 watts of high power audio. It's not a 360-degree speaker, it's a bidirectional speaker, and let me tell you, that's all you need. This thing sounds really good. Now, as you can see on the top of the speaker, there's some controls here. You can actually throw it into a extra bass mode if you're trying to listen to music that might have a little bit more bass. It's just a super cool feature to have. One of the things that I always enjoy about these speakers are the lights, and yes, it does have RGB lights. I know it's a make or break for most people, but you know, it has it, and I have to acknowledge it. Something cool about these models in particular is that if you get multiple T models, so the T40, T50, T70, and get a couple of them going, you can actually link them up with group play, up to 10 of them, and set the mood for maybe your house or your backyard or both. And I think that's a really cool feature. Now, it's not a waterproof speaker, but it does have a spill resistant top, and this can kind of help you rest assured that you're not going to break your speaker if a little bit of water gets on it. Now, definitely don't go deep sea diving because it's not waterproof, but definitely nice to have that feature. Now, if you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It really does help me out. The MX-T40 does come with a remote, so you can easily switch between your inputs, adjust your volume levels, and even your bass. Now, as far as connections go, you can plug in your USB stick if you've got some music on there, but it's mainly meant to be a Bluetooth speaker. It does have 2 analog ports, so if you wanted to hook up some speakers that way, you could. I recommend just using the Bluetooth though. Very easy to connect, and it sounds great. Now, part of the design features, obviously, that I'm gonna always jump for is how easy is it to use. And one of those features in particular is the handle. And it actually has a hidden handle under here on the back where you can scoop up, grab it, grip it super easy. It's got a good center of gravity, so it doesn't feel too heavy when you're lifting it. And overall, that's just very important to me. Now, again, if you look at the top of the speaker, there you have your controls, but you also have this cutout slit slash angled, whatever you call it. I'm not sure what to call it, but you can put your phone or media device in it, so that way it stays there and only need to touch it if you need to switch a song. Now, personally, I think that for the price, that you can't get much better than this speaker, and it doubles down as more than just a Bluetooth speaker. I'm not sure if you guys saw the video that we did on the freestyle projector, but I actually did recommend this or maybe some other T models as the pair to go with that freestyle, because freestyle doesn't have amazing audio, and we actually did use this as the audio device, connected it through Bluetooth, and it was super easy. It sounded great. Really helped to boost that projector experience. Now, if you guys are planning on picking one of these bad boys up, you can always get it for the best prices on our website. Links will be in the description. If you guys end up buying it from us though, come back to the comments and let me know. We love to know if we can help you out. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and we will see you in the next one. That's going to be all for this one, and if you guys haven't already, check out some of our other cool videos on products like these. If you guys are interested in getting the best deal on this product, email youtube@Waltz. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos or deals.